I'll tell you one very interesting thing I read and I want your opinion on that. Do you think that is true or not? I read recently, most of the depressed people in our country are middle-aged housewife women. Okay. So middle-aged women who are housewives, they are most depressed comparatively to others in our country because, and one of the rationales from this, one of the psychologists who wrote this article was, the rationale is that they feel and they've come to an understanding that nobody understands them.
And nobody values them.
And nobody is there to listen to them, value them and understand them. So they don't have anyone to talk to. So they get in this perpetual giving mentality where they're like, all I have to do is serve, serve, serve. And because I always keep serving, I don't have an identity. I don't have an individuality. I don't have anything to talk to or communicate to. That's why it's okay. So they keep suppressing their thoughts. And because they keep suppressing their thoughts, they get into overthinking loop, and that usually is causing them sleeping issues
and all of
self-esteem, and then that's causing them sleeping issues, and then eventually either anxiety or depression.
Right.
So this is like a big issue which is growing on, right? And at the same time, she said they have also seen that men who are middle-aged are also going through the same thing, because they always feel that all they have to do is
provide,
come and earn.
Yeah.
They're not, nothing else is expected out of them.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to talk to them and hear them.
True.
So both husband and wife are feeling that nobody is there to talk to them.
Yeah.
And nobody has ever told them that they can talk to each other. And they can start talking. And then they are actually growing apart as two individuals. And that is causing major depression.
Yeah.
Do you see this is the case? Do you think there's some reality in this?
I'm absolutely. Absolutely. See, also, till a point of time now, the thing that holds you is the kids. From when they are born to they are 18, 20, 25, till they're 30, your main conversation is the main connect between a husband and wife after the initial romance and all that is the kids. That is what holds them together. And like I remember telling this to Vipul, which is a fact, which happens in a lot of places when the kids were moving abroad. And I told Vipul, I said, either we can really drift apart or we can really come together. You're missing them, I'm missing them. Can we together miss them? It'll be better for us, which is what we did. Otherwise, it's very easy to drift apart. And I too was at least working sporadically, but I was working. For women who don't have any identity, all they do, like you said, is khana banao, ghar ka dhyan rakho. Just that's it. And even if they're not, let's assume they don't have any responsibility at home. Let's assume they have help, they have staff, etc. But it's like कुछ करती नहीं है या पैसे नहीं कमाती तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? And the moment some adult in the family behaves thinking like this, the kids take it from that. So if the father feels like that about the mother, the kids are finally going to start reacting like that until they're much older and they realize, oh, I was it was completely false. So I completely believe this.
It's so, because father is feeling, okay, he comes out and there's anger in the father and he says, मैं इतना कर रहा हूँ, मैं इतना कमा रहा हूँ, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, मेरा पैसा, मेरा ये, मेरा वो, मेरी कोई कदर ही नहीं है. Right?
Yeah.
And then mother feels belittled कि okay, मैं तो कुछ कर नहीं रही हूँ. Okay. And the kids see this. And then usually it's the mother who goes in the room and be like, chalo theek hai, shant ho jao, khatam kar do, and they don't say anything. How do we solve this? Ab isme to overall, if this happens again and again, the kid is seeing that, okay, the women in the house who's not working doesn't have value. And we are raising another generation also to think the same thing.
Yeah. So I genuinely believe this, that if we want our daughters to be safe, to be happy, to be healthy, we have to raise our sons right. And that responsibility depends as much on the mother and the father. Also, now people, suddenly their life, like a woman, she'll make the child and her home and her husband the center focal point of her life.
Exactly.
She doesn't want to go out. She doesn't have friends. The more she doesn't go out, the more her self-esteem gets battered. The more she wants to just stay cooped up in her house, the more she feels, "Arey, meri to koi value hi nahi hai." You know, so if you go out, you feel loved by your friends, or you feel like kuch kiya, like, you know. But it happens to me so many times. I just go into a zone. I don't want to get out of my house. And it's not because I just don't want to get out. So my friends are like, "Milo to sahi yaar. For so long, you'll just vanish." And otherwise, I'm like, I love my friends and I have a lot of friends.
Very
I'm
social
very, not very social person to say, but I have a lot of friends, lot of matlab, my close
Your
bunch,
close circle.
but that it's my core.
There you
Yeah.
have it.
But then some days I just disappear.
Because you have a core circle, because they listen to you, they don't give you solutions.
Yeah. And sometimes they say, "Yeah, you're right."
Yeah.
What a jerk. And
He's giving
sometimes I think
solutions.
that same thing works for men also, na?
Yeah.
Where they're like, "हाँ यार, appreciate ही नहीं करती बेवकूफ." So it works for men. And you know, the thing is, it's like a cycle. You are expecting kindness, you're expecting romance, you're expecting sensitivity, but you don't want to give it. You don't want to give it. Why? Because I'm not getting it. Arey, but then somebody will have to start somewhere, na? It's like that.
You talked about it, about men and women, what you said, and gives me an interesting thing that I wrote a while ago. I was writing a book and I wrote that in how it never made it to a chapter in my book, but it was about how men deal with their problems
Versus how
women deal with their problems. Okay, men believes in escapism. And women believes in extraction.
Okay.
So if you talk about, let's say there's a problem, you want your partner to listen to you. You don't want solution. You want the problem to get extracted and be like, "Okay, listen, this is how I'm feeling.
Bifurcate it.
Exactly. Let's break it down.
Yeah,
this is how
yeah.
I was feeling. This is what you said that triggered me. Next time we should not do this."
Yeah.
You want to like just make sure that other person listening to you,
Yeah, true.
and you will feel good automatically.
Yeah.
All you want is just extract it. You don't want solution out of it.
Yeah.
Men either want to solve it and go away, or be like, "Arey, chodo kar lenge." Like they don't want to be there just and solve this and extract this.
Yeah.
So there's a very different thing, and that reflects in their core groups as well. When women are with their core group, women talk about, "Hey, here's my problem," and 20 other women also talking about the same thing.
Yeah.
And everybody will make it one discussion point, and everybody will talk.
And everyone will identify.
Everybody will.
Yeah.
Men with their 5 people will talk about, "Acha ye hua, okay. लेकिन ये देखा क्या?"
Yeah.
Like completely they'll escape.
Yeah, they'll talk about their beer, they'll talk about their cricket, they'll talk about
they'll talk about any
what is
random
going
thing.
on.
Any random thing. They wanna, for them the bigger issue is कि मतलब ये बैटिंग करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. Their issue is not how going
and
on.
business. And
Whatever.
their work.
Like it's either their business,
but it's a
work,
fact.
politics,
It's
whatever.
a fact.
So for men, escapism work. For women, extraction work.
Yeah.
And this is what men and women need to learn about each other. This conversation I was having with my sister, and she said, "This is one habit which I don't like about my boyfriend, fiance, and now going to be husband, right?" I was like, "Then are you sure that you can live with this habit for the rest of your life?" And she's like, "No, but he'll improve."
Oh,
I was like, hello.
No.
Exactly.
And the worst is, बच्चा होने के बाद सुधर जाएगा. हैं? क्यों? मतलब कैसे?
हाँ, कि वो बोली sense of responsibility.
कोई
I
नहीं,
was
कुछ
like,
नहीं.
Hey.
Either you have it or you don't have it.
I'm like, and I said this to my sister that I'm not saying this as your brother. I'm saying this as another man.
Yeah.
Who knows my whole biradari very well.
Yeah.
If मुझे ये नहीं लग रहा कि एक पूरी मैं एक नई लाइफ मेरी फैमिली में ला रहा हूँ और ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, तो मेरा बच्चा मेरे लिए कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं बनने वाला. यही बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
Also, now the difference also again I feel is that earlier people got married early. So they didn't have the maturity. When you're older, you realize, "Arey, what am I doing here? I need to change." You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, come on, we're living together. Abhi roz jhagda
Now let's
karke
change.
jiyenge. Like, let's You know, we have to adjust and whatever. But when you're younger, you're just like, what I'm doing is right. And the person who starts adjusting is always the one who's adjusting. Like, I genuinely believe in a relationship, one person always loves more than the other person. It's never equal. And I would always be the one who loved more. Though, if I had to tell my children, I would say, be the one who gets loved more.
Wow.
Yeah, both gyan de diya yaar.
No, but why do you say so? I want to know more.
Because
like you would say to your kids that be the one who would get loved more.
Yeah.
But you're the one who would always love more.
Yeah. So
Why?
I always felt let down. My best friend had told me that. She said, you know, Chef, all of us friends get together. We won't be able to reciprocate as much as you give to us. So everyone's going to fall short in front of your eyes. Always. Nobody will be able to match up. So it was like, And on the other hand, like I am this, you know, expressive, whatever person, animated, whatever. And Vipul is
Calm, zen.
Babs, the maid, the help of the house left. Okay. Babs, I think I'm going to do the film. Okay. But tomorrow's the shoot and I'm backing out today. Okay. Babs, I have cancer. Okay. Babs, I'm running away and getting married to somebody else. Okay. Everything is like this. Everything is like this. It's like, मतलब, कुछ तो react करो यार.
अगर ऐसे